What's up, you guys? Today we are going to do a little experiment with our non-acid universal cleaner. If you guys have tried this product, I'm gonna guess that you love it because you can do so many things with this cleaner. You can clean the wheels, you can clean the tires, you can clean the engine, you can clean the interiors. It all depends on how you dilute it. So for really, really nasty, cut it 1-to-1. Not normally recommended, but if it's really bad, try 1-to-1. Recommended is 4-to-1 for exteriors and 10-to-1 for interiors. So we have a cup holder that we are going to try to clean today. You guys, I am not a detailer. Again, I don't know what I'm doing, but we are gonna see if this product will clean the cup holder. And when you see the cup holder, you'll realize just how amazing this product is. I hope it works. So, all right, without further ado, non-acid universal wheel cleaner with a non-pro detailer. Let's do it. Another glove, because I am safe. All right, 50-50, non-acid. We are gonna just finish filling up this bottle with non-acid. Available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts, part number C82-1 for a gallon. All right, so first we are gonna vacuum the cup holder. You guys just saw the magic of non-acid universal cleaner. I love this stuff, you guys. You can seriously use it on anything, just dilute it properly. So everybody asks, well, how should I dilute, or what do you recommend? And we always recommend start at 4-to-1, go up, go down. If you see streaking, if you see a film, you have too much chemical, so just dilute it back further. But this guy, I promise I didn't dump more into the bottle, but as we were filming, it was so windy that this bottle tipped over and rolled halfway down the street. So we lost some product, but this stuff it works awesome and I love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow us, subscribe, hit the bell, do all the great things. And again, thank you for supporting our family business made in the USA. All of this stuff is available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts. Ask for the store manager, part number C82-1 for a gallon, line code SCP. Thanks, guys. Hey, does anybody want to come look at my cup holders? You gotta just wait and see.
Oh,
Doesn't it kind of look like a bat?
look.
Like a dead bat?
Look, I found you some sunglasses.
Oh, good. Let me see them.
Look how cute they are.
They're so cute.
They really are. But the look, that is 2020 right there.